answering our questions. It's kind of like how. It happened.
And then it said hi Nicole.
The last place we did that, I was telling before you went up, it said, it kept saying brothers, and Steve, me and Steve are brothers. And then it said our dad's name, it said the number of kids I had, and then it said my youngest baby's name, and that's what we had to call him.
You're like, we're done.
Yeah. Yeah, you know, to a point, you know, like you can take, but once it starts mentioning like babies and everything like that, like, kind of. Other groups do that, but we're not that crazy.
Anyone who is watching the live video right now, we are advised at the Liberty Theater and Museum in Manchester today. We're about to do a session with Vanessa on the stage. If you want to ask any questions, just leave a comment and I'll wish you a question. I'm going to shut that. Should we shut the light off to the stairs?
Yeah.
Play. Which?
Where is it?
Wherever you want.
It's getting late.
How many people do you see with us?
One.
You only recognize one?
Liberty.
Is that you
No.
touching the red button?
Go to heaven.
If you're here with us, can you touch that REM pod again?
I just saw an orb shoot in front of Vanessa, right from the REM pod,
The stage.
Oh,
and there it comes back.
You're on the stage, huh?
are you a performer here? Can you tell me you used to sing or dance?
There's so many voices right now.
Is it
You
on?
can try.
Can you try to answer Steven's question?
Please.
Were you a singer?
Sing.
That's funny. Sure.
I feel like someone's to the right of me.
The person to the right of Vanessa.
4.
What is your name? Are there 4 people next to Vanessa?
Push you off.
Why do you want to put, who are you pushing off?
Angel.
Don't push me.
Do not push.
You're not welcome to touch anybody here.
Start walking.
Are you telling
It's
me?
a ghost.
Are you telling me to walk out of here?
By them.
The ghost is by who?
I will respond.
Who's Nicole?
Looking at her.
You're looking at who?
Look at her.
Who?
Does Ashley?
Gonna scratch.
No.
The female said I need help.
Don't scratch anybody.
Don't scratch
Colin.
Guys, I'm feeling a really bad feeling. I need help.
Right.
I need help.
Is someone moving on the stage? Because I can feel
I
it.
need help really bad.
Let's go. Come on.
I don't know. I just got a really bad feeling.
Spirit.
Oh.
Nick. Help.
We're coming downstairs.
Female.
Who's Nick?
Who's the female? Who's Nicole?
Giggle.
Why are you giggling? Why do you think this is funny?
Hey. Taste. It's mealtime.
How many people did you see leave the room just now?
It's yellow.
Can you touch the device?
This is not ever.
Can you touch the device in front of Vanessa?
I'm a victim.
Of what? The fire?
Good question. Were you choked?
Tell us.
Angel.
Why do you keep saying that name?
I see. Vanessa.
Wow.
Tell us what happened.
You
to
can't.
Can you tell us what happened to you?
You have to. Leave here.
All of us? Or just one?
Don't.
Are you the dominant male figure that?
It was her dad.
Ooh.
What?
It was her dad that hurt her.
Don't.
That was me.
Is this?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh my.
are you answering the question? Is the dad the murderer or the
Violence to come.
You have
Stage.
You have no permission to harm.
Get
anybody?
her.
Don't touch no one here?
Yes.
No, you don't have no
You don't have
permission.
any permission to harm anybody. You touch
I want to
anybody.
talk. Something touched my sleeve.
Do not touch her. You do not have permission to touch her.
Touch the device in front of her. No.
I feel so uncomfortable
you?
right now.
Yeah, sorry. I farted.
Why is that?
Just make sure not to touch
Count
Vanessa.
them. We're visiting.
Count them, who's?
There's 8.
1, 2.
Twizzler. It's a Twizzler.
7, 8, there's 9.
Twizzler.
Do you remember Lindsay?
Do you remember me and Vanessa from before?
Not hard.
Don't do anything?
It was punishment.
Oh, how did you?
Yes.
What was the punishment? How did you punish?
Mr. Commons was the owner, right, Lucy?
He was the original. Yeah.
Is Mr. Commons?
Can't talk. Well,
Why can't you?
Can we speak to Mr. Commons? Is he?
you're
still-
guilty. It was a man's voice. He said you're guilty.
Who's guilty?
It's true.
Guilty of what?
It felt like something like touched my necklace, like pulled on my necklace.
You're not allowed to touch no one here.
Got it. I'm looking for Christ. It's touching me, Vanessa.
Don't touch
Don't.
me.
No.
please.
I heard a whisper and it said, I like that.
No, you have no permission
No.
to touch Vanessa at all.
It's important.
It's
Stage. Too much, too soon.
It is.
She wouldn't survive.
Who wouldn't survive?
The ladies.
What did you do to the lady?
Preacher.
That's twice we got that tonight.
Twice.
Pastor.
Pastor.
Did the pastor was the one touch you?
Here.
What did
It's
the
already time.
What did the pastor do?
What did the preacher do?
Our Father.
Who art in heaven, hallowed be thy. What comes after that? Hallowed be thy. Finish it.
Probably, yeah.
Can you-
Take her.
Don't take no one. Or is that what you did? Did you take her?
Weapons
What did you use?
in your home. There's ghosts involved. Rape.
Oh, is that what a punishment was?
That's not the first time I've got rape here.
No.
No, I've got rape.
It just shut off. It just turned off on its own. It's a power off and it shut off. It's got power. It's got power. It
It
said
just
power
turned
off and it shut off.
Like you heard it say power?
It said power off. I've never heard it do that. It shut off and it has battery.
So that was the headphones, sorry.
Oh, the headphones. Okay. I panicked. Well, this was off too. I had to turn it back on.
What?
This
So
was
it
off
powered
too.
the whole thing down.
Yeah, because this was off. I turned it back on. Is that you?
There's no way.
How is it?
I'm
How is
running a live video right now.
Do you have
so
other headphones?
I don't. Those are the only ones I
Because
have.
this thing shut
See,
itself
it'll
off.
turn back on.
This turns on.
Because
That's
it'll give
direct
me
contact.
Look, look,
It
that's
didn't
the
say battery.
That's why I mean something shut it off.
Where's? I don't. Where's it at?
Can you stop touching the red pod for a second?
Step
Is
away
that you?
from the
Step
red
away
bar.
from it?
Let's go see what they're doing. We'll see.
Step away from the REM pod, please.
I mean, see, it's working. The headphones are working.
Back on.
And that's what I'm saying. It shut itself off. All of it. The spirit box was off. I had to turn it back on.
That is weird. That the whole system shut down.
Look.
He was really angry when we were up there.
Yeah, that's it.
I wonder if the live video, because I'm running live, if it wasn't.
Try it again. Get back up with it.
Want me to walk back in?
Just a quick
Too
verification.
many here. It shut off again, completely.
I don't mean to
And
scare you. I'm sitting right here.
and
Please
the-
don't panic.
There it came back on.
And the REM pod's not
What the
moving.
heck?
As soon as I put it on, it turned the light on. It shut off.
REM pod's not
These
reacting.
shut off. It said power off, and they went off, and now they're back on.
Well, it's funny how it started not doing that, and then all of a sudden the REM
Try
pod
again.
stopped.
Try again.
Oh,
I do think it's the live.
I think it's
I
that.
don't think it is.
You were just in there though for.
Is it that headphone? She set the headphones on her lap and then she started going home.
Every time it shuts off, I get really scared for some reason. I don't know why.
No, I'm away from it, so it really shouldn't be going off all the way back here.
If that is someone, and you're really doing this to the REM pod,
He's crazy.
make it go off again.
Need a priest.
Wow.
6.
Ooh.
6, what?
I think there are 6 of us now.
3, 4, 5,
8.
6 of us.
6.
686.
There was 8.
Said 686.
Who's?
What
Can
if-
you give us the name of the preacher or the pastor?
Yeah.
What's
You
the-
recognize her.
What's the name of the preacher? Or the priest?
I'm so on edge right now. You wouldn't.
Wouldn't work.
Why are you on the edge?
He's here with us.
What's his name?
The wife.
What's his name?
Scott. She's attached to her.
Your father's and stuff.
He's attached to her?
You need to leave.
What is her name?
Dangerous.
Can you give us her name?
I told you.
You told us his name. We want to know what her name is.
Her whole body.
What about her body?
He raped
Come
her.
back to me.
He raped her. Did you rape her? Or did he rape you?
Everyone
He raped everyone.
is in danger.
Is that what he did?
The beast.
Is that what you call him?
Is this place evil? Is there evil that lives here?
Basement. Mike.
There's evil in the basement.
He's gonna be attacked. Use him.
What's downstairs in the basement that's evil?
Thank God. We're evil.
You're all evil, there's more than one.
I'm not liking this. Like,
Ooh, y'all heard that?
I did. That came from like
That was
above.
above, on
That
top.
was above.
Do you linger up there in the blackness and darkness?
go get Vanessa.
No,
No.
you're not allowed to. You can't have her.
Can you make a noise up there again? If you're watching us?
I'm talking.
Are you being a smart ass?
Make a
The
noise.
problem
Oh.
That
is
was
me.
them. That was them downstairs. Who spray painted the wall downstairs?
That's me.
No.
No, what?
You know what?
Leave her up here alone. It said leave her up here alone.
I don't think that's a good idea. Did you see
Listen close. Vanessa?
Started going off. I'm like, okay, cool. See you later.
Lindsay.
Vanessa and Lindsay. You remember Vanessa and Lindsay from last
Angel.
time?
Thank you.
You recognize us?
You've been here before.
Watch me.
Watch you what?
What message do you have for us? We're listening.
Walk.
Walk where?
He's waiting.
Where's he waiting?
Motion.
Can you make a noise up above again for us?
I will.
Do it. So I can hear it. Or can you yell out so we can hear your voice?
You can hit play. For me.
That's weird.
Yeah.
Little boy.
Who is the little boy? What's his name?
3.
No, don't do this again. Don't do that again.
Quarters.
My leg is going wrong again. I've seen this before.
Power.
Does all this energy feel
Eric.
Was Eric the little boy?
Maybe you did ask that too.
I just heard a male's voice that said Lindsay. I promise that
Don't promise anything to Lindsay. What do you want from Lindsay?
he's everywhere.
Who is he?
Just give us a name. That's all we want.
Okay. Chris,
Are you good?
Chris, thank you so much for everything. Right? It was a pleasure having you. Thank you so
It
much.
was an
Ashley,
absolute pleasure.
feel better, okay? Thank you so much.
I hope you all enjoyed yourselves. You
Get
take care,
behind.
Okay?
Thanks.
You have a good
Get
night.
home
Please
safe.
get home
You
safe.
too.
Do me
It
a
bothers
favor.
me.
Do me a favor, please make sure you tell her to just say a little something for yourselves. You know, your little nothing's welcome to follow us home. Say a
You
prayer,
too.
whatever you believe in. Kind of clear your mind out of it. You know what I'm saying? It's just kind of self-protection. That's it.
Will do.
All right. All right.
Spirits, you may stay here. Do
Yes.
not follow me.
Tell us.
Thank you. Make sure she does too, please, especially with all
Thank
that
you, Chris. Have a
emotion.
good night, sir.
If you do see nothing.
See you Monday, Chris.
Just make sure you show.
The world.
Alright, alright, see you later.
It's a natural thing. It's cool. How many people did you just see leave?
More extreme.
What's that blue light?
Kid, that's 3 souls.
Touch.
Yeah, as soon as they were leaving, she did say leaving.
Oh, really?
Piano.
Oh, shit, I meant to
Touch the piano.
touch the piano.
We want to hear.
I heard a piano play.
Touch the piano. I want to hear you play a note.
Corner.
I don't think you can do it.
What corner are you in?
It was you.
I thought I just heard a piano.
I heard
I heard.
a noise, yeah.
Come touch this piano right here. Play a key. I'd be really impressed if you could do that.
If you do that, I promise you,
That chair.
Steven will run out of here if you hit a key on that piano.
In the chair.
I promise you I will leave this chair.
I want to see him run from here.
Yeah.
Do it.
Touch a key loudly.
Sorry, that was me. I'm
She's
so
fuck.
sorry. I'm so sorry.
Jesus, I was about to go. I was.
Scared yet?
Yeah.
I was gone.
I'm trying.
Just don't.
Are you trying to hit the piano?
Just do it.
Try
To
hard.
play.
Do it.
Trying to play.
Trying to play. Use our energy. Press one key.
Brother.
Oh, that scared me for a second.
Get you.
You can use my energy to play the piano.
I feel so uneasy right now.
Guys, and more people like vegan.
That's them too.
No, I think it was just.
Like I feel like someone's walking around behind me.
Are you behind Vanessa? Touch Vanessa's leg.
Lindsay,
What about?
get back here.
I'm still sitting here. I didn't go anywhere.
Oh, when you went up there, that REM pod was nuts. Leave the phone
Do
behind.
you want me back on the stage?
Christian,
That's right, I am a Christian.
Go up on stage, but leave the phone behind with Angel.
white.
She is white.
I'll scream.
I'll scream louder.
I'm afraid to sit up here, to be honest with you. I'm nervous.
Did you hear that?
Hear what?
Got cold.
That was me.
Can you make one of the other devices go off? I really want.
Stand up.
I really want you to touch this piano.
Who do
It's
you,
easier.
who do you want to stand?
Who do you want to stand up?
Get off. May I speak to?
Speak to him.
What was one of the singers' names here? One of the performers.
Paula Abdul.
Paula Abdul.
19.
19 what? Tell me the year. Finish that off. 19 what?
Theater.
Yeah, this is a
Leave.
No.
Guys, I could have sworn something walked up there.
You got me.
Like
Oh.
There's a lot of evil.
Oh.
You said you got me.
Wow.
Yeah.
Woo.
It's emotion.
Can you
down.
tell us what year? 19 what?
Did Lindsay just see you walking up there?
Downstairs.
Go downstairs and touch one of those guys downstairs.
It's evil.
What's evil? Why do you keep saying evil?
I'm like
downstairs?
shaking right now.
What's evil downstairs?
Yeah. Voices.
Was there a fire here?
Christ. Altar.
Were you ever living?
Good question.
Knife.
Yeah, but were you ever alive?
One hand.
Did you have a human form?
On top.
One love.
One mic. What was another song?
I don't know if anyone's up here with me, but I keep feeling like someone's like leaning over my shoulder.
Lindsay, where are you?
I'm right here by the piano. After I saw something at the top, I was like,
A peek.
After you saw
It's
something,
starting to reveal.
starting to reveal yourself? Did you reveal yourself to Lindsay?
I think you're just
Reveal.
hiding up there. Instead of just hiding up there, why don't you come down?
Let me out.
You can come out.
The veil.
the veil.
Destroyed.
Destroyed the veil.
Evil.
It just keeps on with the evil here. That's crazy. What's evil here? What did somebody bring evil here?
Lives.
Who brought the evil here?
His heart.
Whose heart? Who's him? Who's he? Give us your name.
I feel like lightheaded. Able
Can you please back away from
to
You're
do
able,
it.
You're able to do it. Do what? You're able to do what?
Do you know that Abraham Lincoln had
Blood.
a twin brother?
to tell you that
blood
you are
tasting?
not welcome here.
I don't like the stuff that's
That's not
coming
good.
through here, I'm gonna be honest with you.
Any evil like that is not welcome here.
God's blood
Did
tasting.
somebody open something up here? Like a portal to the evil?
Is it that pentagram that's downstairs? Did those people mess something up and open it?
Scratch.
Don't scratch
You
anybody.
have no permission to scratch anyone here.
Concrete.
What about the concrete?
I feel real uneasy.
It stays.
What stays?
Is this a portal for demonic spirits?
What
Evil.
was that? Did you hear that?
And then they almost sound like it was in the headphones. I could.
Was it in the headphones?
Yeah, we heard the same thing. It was like a screech or something.
Yeah. It was like almost
Go
like a
back.
hiss.
Yeah.
I'm not going back.
Yeah.
She's not coming back to you.
Go down.
Down where?
Down where?
Yeah, it shows up.
Evil.
Just keeps on
Why
going.
did you say evil? Look, your evil is not welcome in this place. Nor is
Lives.
nor is it welcome in the same conversation of Christ. Does that make you angry?
Try something.
I'm not trying to challenge anybody or anything that's here. We're just trying to talk to you.
So that camera's been sitting here for 20
Down by
minutes.
yourself.
And like just randomly it's trying to keep focus on something. Like the focus keeps going on and back
On
and
and
forth.
off.
And it's been good for the whole time.
Time to leave.
Do something to make us leave.
Vanessa.
Don't do nothing to Vanessa.
You have to do something other
Say it.
than talk. You have to make a noise. You have to do something.
Offering.
That was behind over here. Did we just
Did it
hear
just
you?
say offering?
It did.
What the hell?
Please.
Nobody's.
Do something other than just talk.
Smart.
You make
I
a
have-
noise.
I have that bad feeling like the evil is like wants us to sacrifice something
Mhm.
off or something to,
You
Yeah.
said Vanessa offer.
and then it kept talking about blood, God's blood.
I
go
heard that
down.
too.
It's just a God's blood tasted. That's like pretty blood of Christ.
Something
No. I hate her.
Who do you hate?
You're not welcome to hate anybody here. We don't know you.
No. It like yelled. It was like, no.
Are you angry?
No.
Then why are you talking so dark?
Yeah.
You're just playing with our heads.
Where do you hide at? Do you hide in this place?
You sit down for this. You notice every time I move that blue light goes off.
I don't know what just happened. Like, I heard the weirdest voice and it didn't sound like it was on the spirit box. The woman.
Did y'all just hear something going on?
I heard something go.
And like my head is killing me right now.
Y'all heard that?
I heard that.
Okay.
This is it.
What was that?
I farted.
I felt that.
Quit.
Trumpets.
What?
Bullet.
Quit.
A bullet. Did somebody get shot?
I sound crazy.
That was my stomach right now.
Mm.
You don't sound crazy. Tell us what happened.
Battered.
Battered.
Oh my gosh.
Emotionally.
Emotionally battered.
What happened to you?
Is it because you're a woman? Were you treated poorly in that time?
That's me, sorry.
Killed himself.
Hmm. Why did he kill himself? Did he
He killed himself with a bullet?
bullet to the head?
Here.
Wasn't there a
Out
veteran?
front.
A veteran?
Here out front. Okay, guys, I'm going to tell you something. And I don't know if this is what it's talking about or not, but.
Veteran.
Oh my God! A guy killed himself a few months ago
That
down
was
the road,
crazy.
and he was a veteran.
Wow.
Did y'all just not hear me say I was like, was it the veteran?
That's crazy, Steven.
You don't understand.
Steven, that was awesome.
God, my head hurts so bad.
I literally just said before that, I was like, is it the veteran?
Is he here with us?
It wasn't.
Wasn't what?
Why'd you kill yourself?
I shouldn't have.
You
shouldn't
shouldn't have.
have.
You regret it, don't you?
Is your spirit stuck here?
Is it because the portal will hold you from crossing over?
Something just fucking touched me. Okay.
If it gets any more intense for her, we gotta get her out.
Hard to use.
What's hard to use?
Are we still talking to the veteran?
The pentagram.
That's not me. Oh, up
Oh,
there.
MG.
Darker.
Tell us
It's
your
much
name.
darker.
Whoever's on the balcony up there, tell us your name. Do something up there.
Ram's head.
Oh no.
God, goat's head pentagram.
That's, it's
you
demonic.
guys.
Offering.
No offering, no nothing.
Guys, I don't mean to be over. I just have this really bad feeling we need to stop this.
I did too.
Yeah, okay. I agree with that.
Yes.
Oh Lord, we just got a bunch of people watching. Hold on, one more. Diana Decker is watching. Oh, okay.
Anyone watching the live, this is getting a little bit too dark. We're gonna power down and take a break for a while.
Something's up on lingering on that balcony.
Something was up there. Something was dark. Like this not good.
It was like changing. It would be like really dark stuff, and then it would be just like different, like random
right when
stuff.
you said bullet and this and that and veteran, right before, a second before you said veteran, Steven goes, is this the veteran? And then Lindsay goes, oh my God, right down the road, a veteran killed himself.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
That was clear as day. Veteran was clear.
He did. He shot himself,
Clear as.
and
He
he
said
had
bullet.
mental illness.
Yeah, sorry. I don't know.
There was a standoff on this street for
I don't
like
know. It
hours.
went like which is I was talking about that.
She just told us already.
I don't know. It was weird. It was like a change. Like it was different stuff.
Oh, like an evil pentagram
That
for
shit's
Ram's
He
head.
said
Cool.
Ram's head kept saying
It
offering.
did. I swear though.
blood
Like,
of
I promise you.
Christ.
Like I'm not just saying that. Like that's what it's. Why would I do that? You know. Like,
Right.
there's no reason for me to say that, but that's it would go from that and then it would go to other stuff, and it was like, and there was a woman who would like every once in a while come through and she was super clear, and then other than that it just was like back and forth, but it was almost like the same voices talking about the same like stuff.
You know what's sad? They always say, suicide is a direct slap of life to God, and you're not able to cross over. So right down the road, and then you got someone here that conjured something absolutely terrible, like opened up a portal, especially for all the condemned. Now you done killed yourself a block and a half away or whatever.
No, you killed yourself 1, 2, 3 houses up.
3 houses down, you killed yourself. You're now condemned.
A veteran was clear.
And there's a portal open.
Clear.
What's gonna draw you in? What's gonna suck you in?
Because there's this physical therapy place, a White House, and the Red House.
Did anyone come up here and like walk by? Because at one point I
There was
sort of
a
felt
couple
like somebody
times they
was
walked
right
back
here
and
and
forth.
scared me so bad.
There was a couple times.
Yeah.
There was a
the
good
girl and that
couple.
guy out there.
Ashley.
Yeah.
Ashley needed to go.
I feel bad.
She was getting it pretty
I
bad.
just didn't want to like. I'm
I'm
not,
glad she wasn't here for that last part.
I mean, I
Yeah,
have to say
no,
what it
she
says,
She
you know,
wasn't
like I
gonna
can't.
handle it.
Yeah.
She was losing it downstairs before this even happened.
Mm-hmm.
Shit, I think you had to take her outside, what, 3-4 times?
That was probably, I
Yeah.
took her, that's probably my 5th time taking her out.
It's weird that it kept shutting off like that, and then it ran for so long.
Mm,
I don't know why I was doing that.
that's wrong. Good session.
They're using the blueberry also?
I mean, was it like just random, or was it kind of?
No, you were pretty fucking good.
Yeah, it was, yeah. And it was mostly.
In the beginning it was a little scratchy, but then you started fucking hitting on shit, and then...
I just felt like in the beginning there were so many voices I couldn't pick out. Like,
Yeah. And then, but I'm telling you right now, like the last 10-15 minutes, we were full conversation. But none of it, 8 out of 10 of it was not good.
Yeah.
That's why we ended it. 'Cause that was
Yeah.
the
No, I'm
like,
like I felt like most of it. The only thing, like there were names. Your name came through super clear. Like Angel came through so clear.
That's crazy.
And then I heard Lindsay.
Mhm.
Yeah, said your name fucking umpteen times, it seemed like.
I heard it a lot.
Most of the damn time we were just, don't touch her, don't touch her, don't touch her. And I'm gonna tell you what, it's like
I
something
didn't
was
feel like it
up.
was talking about me though. Like the way I heard it.
You kept saying shit behind you, you know what I'm saying? And I swear it sounded like something was up on that balcony behind you.
At one
Nonstop.
point I sat over here, Vanessa. At one point I sat over here. And I saw a shadow right up in here.
I just
It
like
moved.
it just changed a bunch.
It
Like it was
went
just
from-
different. But there were so many. Like at some certain points there were so many voices that I just like
Because my stomach hurts.
to pick out what was
Yeah.
being said was just hard. Like it was just a
Everyone
lot
says take a break
at
from it.
one time. So.
Sometimes the shit's overwhelmed with so much energy, you know what I'm saying? That's just the
I don't know. I would like somebody else needs to try it eventually because I've got a lot of questions.
They're fucking awesome. You wanna take a little break? Yeah, okay. Take a little break right there. Her stomach's starting to hurt her pretty bad.
Okay, yeah. Take a break, for sure.
That
I'm
was
so
wild.
sleepy.
Yeah, Vanessa, I think when it kept saying the name Angel, I think what it meant was you look like an angel.
Exactly.
Such a flirt.
You know, Lucifer was an angel too, right?
Yeah, he was.
Oh, good.
He was the top group. Michael and Gabriel. But he was casted down because he was believed to give females being selfishness. You okay?
Angel got so serious.
What the heck did I looked over for a long time.
No, I always tell people about that. People never like
I
to
had
hear
my
that.
finger in there.
He
too.
was
I
an angel,
just
and he
licked my
was one of
finger.
the top angels.
Just touch
One
the
of the
king.
most